Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add payment method on Shein. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add payment method on Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app. So once you tap open your Shein app, you need to now tap on the cart option to select the item to purchase. So once you're here, you need to select the items and hit the checkout button. After you do so, now to add payment method, you need to select a medium. Here I am choosing pay with PayPal. So this will be my payment method which I want to add. Then I will hit on the PayPal account. Now this will redirect me to this kind of interface where all it's needed is to simply type in the email address and mobile phone number and hit the next button, and then simply fill it with debit or credit card, or you can simply log into your PayPal account if you have it and simply pay through it. So this is how you add payment method on Shein app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.